Dear church, it is with regret that we are informing you that all activities at the church building will be pausing for the foreseeable future due to the COVID-19 outbreak. That will be with immediate effect. The only exception to this is G-Force and 180 Youth, which will meet one final time this Friday to try and put some things in place to support our children and young people effectively. Now, we appreciate that this is a really disappointing time and it's bad news for everyone, but we would encourage you to see this as an opportunity to be on mission like never before. You know, the church is not about the building, but about the people. And whilst it is important to meet together, we can also take the opportunity to be salt and also light in a world that is full of fear at the moment, and offer people the hope that only Jesus can bring. So what will happen? We're currently working on plans for the following. There's 7 things here. Number 1, we will be streaming some online services at 11 a.m. on Sundays. We'll give you the details on that. Number 2, we'll have some virtual prayer meetings and connect groups using software called Zoom. Now, you should receive details if you were signed up to our emails. If you aren't, you can get in touch with us on that. Regular emails to encourage and inform you. Number 4, regular social media, devotional videos too. Number 5, a strategy to help people who are having to isolate over the coming weeks by fetching shopping, posting mail, urgent supplies, or just a friendly phone call. Number 6, we're working alongside local schools as well to provide food for families who will struggle to feed their children in the event of any school closures. Number 7, we'll be keeping senior citizens connected by providing a means for them with Skype, Zoom, video streaming wherever possible. So what can you do in this situation? Number 1, you can pray, because we certainly need you to pray at this time for us as leaders, pray for the nation, pray for anyone who is in isolation, and also pray for our government at this time as they seek to give us information and make decisions. Secondly, you can stay connected in whatever ways that you can. Make sure you're part of our WhatsApp groups for men and for women that we have here at Excel. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on social media at Excel Church UK. Also call us or email us if you need anything. We want advice. We just need, or if you want advice, or if you just need to have a chat, then please do get in touch with us. Also, would you fill in our pastoral survey? That'll be sent out to you via email or the WhatsApp group. Also, look out for your neighbours, look out for your friends. Check if people need anything. You may need to make some phone calls, etc. Just stay in touch with everyone and anyone if possible. Also, keep on giving as well, because as you know, here at church we need to continue to pay our bills and support our missionaries as well. There's your giving does go a long way here at church, locally and internationally as well. Maybe you could even consider giving to our fund for helping the vulnerable people at this time, families, in receipt of free school meals, etc. You can do this by making a bank transfer to Excel Church with the reference CERF. And there's other online giving as well, but the links will be available to you. Above all, through all of this, make sure that you stay positive. You know, the current situation, it does provide us all with an excellent opportunity for the church to actually rise up and be the hands and also be the feet during this time. And it does give us an opportunity to do church differently, and potentially we can reach a greater audience than ever before. Certainly of people who are stuck in their homes, people that are just desperate for help at this time. We can help in so many practical and positive ways. Let's believe that there will be a turning towards the Lord through this season, right across our nation and also across the world. May God bless you all. You know, just pray God's blessing upon all of us. Do pray for myself, Heather and Dan, We do love you and we thank God for you. We need your prayer at this time as we lead and we lead on situations. Just pray that we would be able to navigate this season together. We love you and thank God for you. God bless you all. Amen.